In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a filter and a dashboard in Jira, an essential skill that can enhance collaboration and streamline workflows among your team members. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or a software developer, knowing how to efficiently share these tools ensures that everyone stays on the same page. So let's dive right into it. Let's start first with sharing filters. From your Jira dashboard, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you want to click on the Filters option. Once that's open, select View All Filters. This will bring up a list of all the filters accessible to you. Now go ahead and click on the specific filter you wish to share. Once you've opened the filter, you'll see a Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. When you click on this, a new window will pop up, allowing you to specify whom you want to share the filter with. You can enter specific names or select entire teams, giving you the flexibility to target the exact audience you need. There's also an option here to include a message. While this is optional, adding a personalized note can provide context or instructions tailored to your audience. After you've made your selections, simply click on Share. But wait, there's more. If you prefer, you can also click on Copy Link. This way you can send the link directly through email or any messaging platform your team uses. Now let's shift our focus to dashboards. Sharing dashboards requires a slightly different approach. Again, navigate to that all-important left panel and click on Dashboards, then select View All Dashboards. This will take you to a page where you can see all available dashboards. Click on the one you want to share and look for the ellipses icon, those three little dots on the right-hand side. Clicking this will reveal more options and you should choose Rename and Share. This action opens a pop-up window where you can add viewers or editors. It's flexible, allowing you to enter users, groups, or even entire projects depending on your needs. Once you've identified all the individuals or teams you want to share the dashboard with, it's crucial to make sure your settings are just right. Finally, click Save to lock in your sharing configuration. This simple yet effective measure ensures that everyone you've included can access the tools they need. And there you have it, simple steps to share both filters and dashboards in Jira. By putting these techniques into practice, you can enhance your team's efficiency and ensure everyone is aligned with the project goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Jira experience.